Inspire Nursing.
S. One-step solution for all medical studies.
Hi friends, in this video we will going to see what is our anatomy subject and what are the main branches of our anatomy subject. Okay friends, in my first class we have discussed about introduction to anatomy. Friends, the anatomy is the term is derived from Greek. It meaning dissection or cutting of the body. Now friends, why we are dissecting or cutting of the body? So that we can study the internal structure of the body. And friends, we mainly the study of appearance, different parts of the body and position of different parts of the body and which are the blood vessels and nerve supply different parts of the body and which are the relationship of different parts of the body. It means one part of the body with other part of the body. Now friend, these terms position, appearance, relationship and blood supply can understood with this example. These are our lungs. And if I ask a question to you, what is the shape of the lungs? Then you reply, it is conical in shape. And friends, the shapes comes under appearance. And if I ask a question to you, where the lungs are present in our body? Then you reply, these are present in thoracic region or chest region. And this friends comes under position. And we will try to another example. What is the shape of the kidney? It means the shape of the kidney is bean shaped. This comes under appearance. And friends, where the kidneys are located? It means position behind the peritoneum. What are the relationship of kidney? At the upper part, the adrenal gland. And friends, what are the relationship under left side, right side, upper part, medial, lateral? Now friends, we are able to study the structure of body with our naked eye. Naked eye means we are not using any equipment. We are not using any equipment like microscope for these studies. Then friends, this type of study comes under gross anatomy and neuroanatomy. And friends, study of this structure we need microscope. Then such type of studies comes under histology and embryology. Now friends, further we will see what are going to study under gross anatomy, neuroanatomy, histology and embryology. Now friends, under gross anatomy we will discuss head, neck, upper limb, lower limb, thorax, abdomen and pelvis. I repeat again, under gross anatomy we will discuss head, neck, upper limb, lower limb, thorax, abdomen and pelvis. Under upper limb we will going to see pectoral girdle or shoulder, axilla, arm, elbow, forearm, wrist and hand. Under lower limb we will going to study the pelvic or hip, thigh, knee, leg, ankle and foot. And friends, under neuroanatomy, we will discuss brain and spinal cord. The nerves which emerges from the brain is cranial nerves, and nerves which emerge from the spinal cord called cranial nerves. So friends, brain and spinal cord form central nervous system, and cranial nerves and spinal nerves together form peripheral nervous system. Friends, next comes under histology, are also called as microanatomy. We will study the cells and tissue. For this example, this is our small intestine, and I have taken a piece of this small intestine from this part. The small intestine is having many cells together for tissue, and when this piece of small intestine is seen under microscope, then you look like this. Under embryology, we will discuss gametogenesis, fertilization and development of. Under gametogenesis, we will discuss spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Under fertilization, we will discuss how and where the sperm and ovum together form a single-celled zygote. See this, sperm and zygote together form a single-celled zygote. Now friends, under development of zygote, we will discuss how and one-celled zygote is converted into a complete human being. See this, one-celled zygote is converted into a single-celled complete human being. So friends, these are four main branches of under subject of anatomy. We are going to discuss detail in our further upcoming videos. And friends, one thing I want to tell you that if you have crystal clear concept of these all branches, then I am assuring with that the remaining 8 all subject of nursing will become a piece of cake for you.